Exercise 6-3, using the Administration Center to create a management class. Click the newly created policy domain critical backup, and in the Properties page, expand Management Classes. Open up the Select Action menu and click Create Management Class. This opens up a wizard that will guide you through the process. Next, you need to ensure that Backup and Archive are selected. Backup and Archive Data is selected in the General page. Next, you need to name your management class. So type in the name Critical Management Class. You can add a description into the description field. That's just a free-form text field, and it's not required for creating the management class, but it is there to give you some idea of what the management class is intended for. So once you have that in there, you can click Next, and then you want to select a storage pool for your backups. So select Backup Pool, and then leave the remaining selections as they are. Scroll down and click Next. Change the number of versions that you're going to keep to 2, and make note of the other fields that are available. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Next. You can accept the remaining parameters on that previous page. Now you want to select an archive pool. So select a pool for your archive. So select Archive Pool, and again keep the retention here and the other options. Review the summary page and then click Finish. So now you can see that management class is there, and we're going to return to look at the policy domains again. When you open up the policy domains page, you see there are pending changes for the domain. So you can select that, open the Select Action menu, and click Manage Pending Changes. So you don't have any management classes with changes here. So go ahead and click to activate to get rid of that Pending Changes checkbox. And then we will go back and make the management class that you created the default. So you need to open up the Properties again, expand the Management Classes section, and then select that checkbox that's next to Critical Management Class. If you just select the word Management Class, you can see that it is not the default. So we'll get back out of this and show you how to make that the default. So now when you select the box next to it, or select the management class itself, you can see Standard is actually the default. So select that checkbox next to Critical Management Class, open the Select Action menu, and click Make Management Class Default. Now, you can see that this change won't take effect until you activate the domain. So, close that up, and then you want to go back and refresh the table. And now you can see there are pending changes there, and you know what you changed. So select that, open the Select Action menu, Manage Pending Changes, and then Activate Changes. Now you have your management class activated in your new policy domain. Close the Policy Domains menu, and you're ready for the next task.